Hi, my name is Daniel Caldwell, a typical American teen. I'm here to talk to you about the St. Albans Teen Court. It's a second chance for first offenders. Let me start off by talking about some terms that we use in teen court. We use the term respondent as opposed to offender or violator. The disposition is the punishment that the respondent will receive from the jury at the end of the trial. Now let's watch some reenactments of offenses that might land a teen in teen court. Next, you'll see our respondent in Municipal Court. Note that the courtroom has been cleared, as all juvenile matters must be kept confidential. Let's see what the municipal judge has to say.
If you choose the teen court and complete the 6-month program successfully, your parents won't have to pay your fine and your record will be cleared. However, if you fail to cooperate, you will be sent back to the municipal court and your parents will have to pay the fine and the charge for the violation will stay on your record.
Once a respondent has chosen the teen court, the next step is called the investigation. This is where, to prepare for the respondent's hearing, several interviews are conducted. Teen attorneys will question the respondent and the respondent's parents using school records, a police report of the violation, officer interviews, and information from the victim or victims. This is the hearing. The proceedings are very similar to that of a real court, but with teen attorneys and jurors.
I'm Judge W.H. Hanna. I will be presiding over today's hearing.
First, the judge will ask all those present to stand and identify themselves.
I'm Mrs. Carey. I am the mother of the respondent.
I'm Mr. Carey. I'm the father of the respondent.
I am David Carey, respondent.
I am Madison Revively, defense.
I'm Julie Maynard. I'm the prosecuting attorney.
I'm Neverly Hemmings, juror.
I'm Sally Jensen, juror.
I am Brian Barth, juror.
I'm Carrie Coolwell, juror.
I am Heather Lopez, juror.
Now I would like everyone in the courtroom to rise and take the teen court oath of confidentiality. Do you solemnly declare that you will not divulge, either by written or spoken language, or by sign, any information which comes to your knowledge in the course of this teen court case trial, and will conceal all said proceedings which may be held in your presence?
I do.
Be seated.
Will the clerk please call the first case?
The case tonight is the City of St. Albans versus David Carey.
Next, the judge will ask the prosecution to give an opening statement, followed by one from the defense. Then the prosecution will present their case, basically representing the city laws. Now, most of the time, there isn't a witness for the prosecution, since the victim is usually the city, though not always. If there were a human victim, they would testify here. Next, the defense will get to question the respondent, and then the prosecution will get to cross-examine the respondent. Then the defense can redirect, re-examine, or re-emphasize certain points to elicit concern from the jury for the respondent. If there was a parent or friend as a witness, they would be questioned by the defense, cross-examined by the prosecution, and then redirected by the defense at this time. Next, the attorneys will present their closing arguments, prosecution first, then defense. Once the case has been heard, the judge will turn it over to the jury.
That concludes all the evidence. Jury, the decision for the disposition is now in your hands. Please elect a foreperson who will record your verdict. Remember, you are to consider only the evidence provided during this hearing. All rise. All rise. Has the jury reached a verdict?
Yes, Your Honor, we have.
The jury foreperson will hand the written verdict to the judge, who will read and sign the verdict before returning it to the foreperson to read. A typical disposition from a teen court jury can include community service, a written essay, and being required to serve on future teen court juries. As the municipal judge said earlier, failure to cooperate will result in the respondent being sent back to the municipal court. Well, there you have it. From all of us here at the St. Albans Teen Court, thanks for watching, and good luck with your teen court experience.